Hello YouTubers, this is Just Simple Ali with another video. In this video I will be unboxing the Netgear 5-port Gigabit Ethernet switch. I bought this on Amazon for £11.99 UK pound sterling. Let's start by looking at the box first. On the front we have the name and the photo of the switch. This is the Essential Edition plug-and-play switch, which is ideal for home networking. The model number is GS205. On the side of the box we have the content list, which includes the switch, power adapter and a quick start guide. We also have the physical specifications as well as information regarding the technical support. There's also a list of Netgear websites in different countries. On the other side we have the technical specifications. It has a bandwidth of 10 gigabytes per second, a forwarding rate of 1000 megabytes per second, which is more than enough for home use, and it also has a status LED. At the back it has some other key information like auto MDI/MDIX, which eliminates the need for crossover cables, auto negotiation function to ensure highest common speed, non-blocking switching architecture, a fanless design for quieter operation, and it also has a small office/home network diagram, and plug and play written in different languages. It comes shrink wrapped, so let's go ahead and remove the wrap. And let's open the box and see what is inside the box. The first thing we see is the documentation. The first one describes the three main steps: download the app, create an account, and enjoy the advantages. Next, we have the quick start guide. Let's unfold and have a look at it. It has information about different models in different series, steps for connecting the equipment, steps for connecting the power supply, checking the status, as well as technical specifications. At the back of the quick start guide, there is information on how to get support. We also have a declaration of conformity, which is written in different languages. The switch comes with a wall adapter as power supply. It has a 3-pin UK plug. The input is 240 volts and the output is 5 volts. It does not have any power LED on the adapter. And finally, the switch itself. It comes wrapped in clear plastic bag. It is much smaller and lighter than expected. Let's take it out of the bag and have a look. At the front we have the name, the model number, the power and status LEDs. On the top we have Netgear logo. At the back we have the DC jack and also the 5 Ethernet ports. It is very simple in terms of its design. At the bottom we have the name, model number, power rating and FCC symbols. So to wrap things up, this is what comes in the box: the Ethernet switch, the power adapter, a quick start guide, customer support leaflet, Thank you for watching the video. You can leave your comments in the section below, and please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Take care and bye for now.